Okay, to finish up our program today, we've got three more pieces for you. We're going to highlight three entirely different groupings. So the first one, again, as we go into these camps, and Kathleen get to do this for Yamaha all summer, which we just love. So thanks to Yamaha Corporation for helping out with all of this nationally. Very interested in percussion education and giving our kids a chance to express themselves that way. The first piece, Aaron wrote. This is called Toothpaste. We call it Toothpaste. And it features two different sides of the ensemble. So he wrote very specific parts for the advanced group as well as the beginning/intermediate group so that they can all form a big piece together. So here we go with Toothpaste. Our next piece is called Come On Man, Come On Man, and it's one of the pieces out of this oh so beautiful Yamaha book that everybody here gets to take home with them. Has tons of exercises, different music pieces, all of the rudiments, everything's in there. Everything but a little practice. So just bring the practice. All right, here we go, come on man. That was so fast. That was great. No, and now for our final piece. Our final piece, before we left Colorado, I wanted to put together a piece for kind of the advanced group. We knew we have a superstar marimba player up front with Andrea, and again, in a a camp setting like this where we have every kind of ability level, we want to make sure we push everybody's limit. So this is a piece by a group called Snarky Puppy, which is a fantastic contemporary jazz group. Anywhere from 2 to 12 players maybe on stage. They're just a great group. So I arranged this piece for these guys. It's called 34 Klezma, and it's, yeah, I know, it's my favorite too. It's based on klezmer music, which you may kind of catch if you know that style of music. But anyway, here we go, 34 Klezma.
Thank you very much, eNVision. And thank you very much for coming today. That's the end of the program. eNVision wants to thank their partners, Our Town, the Boys and Girls Club, Truckee Meadows, Camping Crack Fitness, the Great Reno Balloon Race, the University of Nevada Reno, and the Best of the West Nugget Rib Cook-Off. Thank you again for coming tonight. Feel free to come up and talk to the students. They did a fantastic job. Can all camp members meet in the back corner for the group picture, please? All camp members, please meet in the back corner by the basketball hoop for the camp picture.